What is going on, everybody? We are back with another video, and today's a little bit different. Not going to be going through any workouts or whatnot. I'm actually going to be taking you through my typical rest day. I rest 2 days a week on Wednesday and Sunday. I'm just going to be showing you guys how to have an effective rest day for your upcoming lifts on the following days, but also just the following days of the week in general. First order of business, we're going to do weigh-in and a physique check. I ended at 166.8 today, so we're right around where we need to be at 165. Anyways, I'm going to be talking about having an effective rest day. You need to do a whole lot in order to have an effective rest day, but there's only just a few key things that you need to do or should do in order to set yourself up for success in the upcoming days. Obviously, rest days are meant for rest or active recovery, as some people like to call it. I simply call it just moving around and properly load managing what you are doing. That doesn't mean that I'm going to be going into the gym and lifting. I'm simply just going to be moving my body around, making sure that it's not being stagnant, and so I just feel better. So that means the first thing we're going to be doing today is we're going to be going for a little bit of a walk. Luckily, it is not raining right now, but in about 2 hours, it is going to be raining. I'm going to go outside, and I'm going to start walking. All I'm going to do 40 minutes. Do like to take advantage while the sun is out and during the summer to go outside, just because the vitamin D here in Michigan is not the greatest for about maybe 6-7 months out of the year. I won't do that again. I'm gonna go outside, we're gonna do a 40 minutes of cardio, and then we're gonna come back inside, we're gonna do some mobility work, because I always like to take my rest days as a day to kind of work on any of the nooks and crannies of my body that are in a little bit of pain right now. And sadly, it is the lower back. It's on that left side, so I think it's a facet joints for my spine, localized. It's not a general pain. Pretty sharp pain when I overextend my back and let my spine just collapse on itself. Just do some light lower thoracic, upper lumbar mobilization, and hopefully it'll feel better by tomorrow, because I gotta go record with Reed back up in East Lansing tomorrow. I'm quit chit-chatting, grab my water, and we're gonna get on our walk. All right, a 43 or a 44-minute outdoor walk has been complete. Back is feeling a little bit better after getting to move around. Guys, I'm telling you, pain-free movement is medicine. They hate to see it, but it's the truth. All right, guys, as you can see, we got our protein pancakes with some peanut butter. We don't have any maple syrup in the house, sadly, so we're just digging with this. Then we've got our iced coffee here and our water, and then that is going to be our breakfast. I had some blueberries before I picked up the camera while I was making this because I was freaking starving. But we have finished our exercises and our cardio. We are showered off. We are eating our breakfast. And I would like to talk about a little bit of rest day, about food and sleep. Those are the two biggest things that help you recover and help your body be prepared for the next days. I like to play my rest days on two different kind of days. One, my busiest days, or two, my least busiest days. On my very least busiest day, which is normally Sunday or Wednesday, I will meal prep. This past week, it was Sunday, so I meal prepped, I did my laundry, I did all that stuff to set me up for success for the next week. And then on Wednesday, like today, I have absolutely nothing going on. So what do? I sleep in, get myself 9 hours of sleep, because sometimes you can't help yourself. Sometimes you get 7.5, sometimes you get 7 hours of sleep. It all comes down to planning and whatnot, but sometimes I just can't get more than 8 hours. So take days like today, don't work on a certain day, or if you don't have an extra, or if you don't work out on a certain day, sleep in, Let your body rest because that's where you truly build a muscle. That's where you recover. I don't really change how I eat on my rest days pretty much. I might drop the carbs a little bit because I'm not going to be exercising as much. Again, it's not going to change drastically. I'll eat the same amount of protein, carbs, and fats pretty much on every day of the week. I'm going to finish this, and then I'm going to be doing a midday stream of NCAA 2026. We're starting a new dynasty, so make sure that you guys go check that link in the description below to watch the stream. Holy shit, 53 yards! Oh, they're fucking trying to ice my kicker. God damn it! Get there! It's good! Come on! Come on! All right, guys, we are off to the girlfriend's house now. We had a great stream, actually. Played some college football 26. Really fun. We are doing a solo Vanderbilt dynasty rebuild. We clutched up, let's just say, for the Commodores. But anyways, we're off to the girlfriend's house. We're going to see her for a little bit, and then we're going to head back home and eat some more food. All right, guys, it is currently like about 5 o'clock. We got some chicken. We got some rice. We got some tzatziki. Then a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Just Greek chicken. If you guys don't know, I am Greek. Just because I'm Greek, though, doesn't mean I don't know how to burn chicken, because I absolutely burned the fuck out of it. So that's why I'm going to put a bunch of tzatziki on it. Did some errands. Did some stuff that I can't put on camera yet, but hopefully soon. I'm actually going to eat this while I study a little bit for my anatomy. If you guys don't know, I'm also going to PT school in the fall. What that means for the channel, I'm also going to be uploading videos. However, I would like to brush up on my anatomy, because the anatomy that I took and then I taught, as you guys saw this past semester, is light work compared to what I will be doing in the fall. So I might as well brush up on the basics before I get thrown into the advanced / expert level stuff. Might as well master the basics, because that's where the true knowledge is. I'm gonna eat and enjoy this, probably study about 30-40 minutes, then watch some Netflix, and then who knows where the day's gonna go from there. All right, guys, we have finished studying. It is about 6:23. We studied for about 40 minutes, and then we just had a little chit chat with the rents here. I think that is gonna do for the video. Pretty much for the rest of the day, I'm just gonna chill out. I'm not really gonna do a whole lot. Probably just going to play some college football a little bit, maybe play some Rainbow with the boys. I'm not going to take anything away from this video. Just remember one thing. Recovery days or rest days, whatever you want to call them, are your friend. More often than not, it is better to take more rest than it is to not take rest. Yeah, obviously, you got to go to the gym to actually help build the muscle. But where it actually grows is on the rest days and recovery days. Do what you can on the recovery days to make your body, mind, and soul feel the best that it can going into the next days. If you made it this far, you might as well like it something, so you might as well hit that like button and subscribe. Helps the channel a ton. I'm on the road to 2,000 subscribers. And yeah, it's been a while, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.